This is a walkthrough video of our 2-bedroom first floor maisonette in Headley Road, Woodley. Property is well placed for access to Woodley Shopping Centre amongst many other amenities and bus stop to and from Reading. Property benefits from parking to front in addition to its own private garden, which I will take you through to now. So this garden is dedicated to this property, which, as you can see, is as good a size as you'll see in most 3-bedroom houses. There is shed, paving, as well as area of garden. The flat itself is located, as I said, on the first floor, which has its access from the rear of the property. As you walk into the entrance hall, you'll see there is a kitchen directly in front of me, which is to your left as you walk in. So a nice range of modern shaker style units. Plenty of workspace, as well as built-in oven and hob, and window to rear of the property. A light and airy living room. A laminate wood effect flooring and wall mounted feature fireplace. Master bedroom is a good sized double. There is a cupboard in the corner housing the boiler, and as you can see, plenty of room for wardrobe storage. Second bedroom. And finally the bathroom. Again, nice modern bathroom, white units, what they call a P-shaped bath, so ideal for having a shower, which it has directly above. And that concludes the tour today.